This is the Daily Market Comment by buoyed. I'm Christina Marujos, and thank you for joining us at XM.com. It was another disappointing jobs Friday as predictions for May non-farm payrolls were again off the mark. Payrolls rose by 559,000 against estimates of 650,000. Not huge a miss as seen in April, but was yet another confirmation that it's not quite full steam ahead for the U.S. labor market. However, the overall take from the numbers was the same as for the previous month, which is that it's going to require a lot more time before the Fed can say there's been substantial further progress. Expectations for a stellar jobs report had been building up prior to its release, fueling a mini rally in the US dollar. But those gains didn't last long, and the dollar plunged across the board as investors reverted to their original view that the Fed will not be in any hurry to slow down its bond purchases. It was a much calmer start to the new trading week on Monday, with the dollar index inching slightly higher. The Australian dollar was slightly firmer, extending Friday's impressive rebound, while the pound struggled the most on Monday. The euro is also a bit of a laggard and remains skewed to the downside, as investors are anticipating dovish sound bites on Thursday when the European Central Bank meets to review its pandemic bond purchases. The latest print of the U.S. Consumer Price Index is also due that day, and if there is another bigger than expected jump in May, it could heighten market nerves ahead of the June 14th and 15th FOMC meeting. Caution about the upcoming inflation data could be what's holding back equities on Monday, as U.S. stock futures were in the red today following a tech-led rally on Wall Street higher on Friday. There seems to be widespread relief from the soft payrolls numbers, as the solid but underwhelming jobs recovery has created a Goldilocks scenario for the U.S. economy, where the Fed can afford to take its time before rushing in to turn off the stimulus taps. At the same time, however, it's becoming increasingly difficult for investors to ignore the hints that tapering is moving closer to the horizon, and the lingering uncertainty could keep stock markets in check until clearer signals emerge. Thank you for watching today's Daily Market Comment here at XM.com. Have a great week.